of us communicate from the time we get up in the morning till we go to bed every day. Communication can happen in many ways. It's just not important to say whatever we think. We can communicate that in many different ways.
In a world where communication is the key to understanding and socially connecting with each other, it should not be limited to spoken language only. More than how we communicate, what we communicate makes the difference. All of us tend to use various ways to express, be it gestural, writings, body language, also other ways using technology. Visual aids in the form of augmentative and alternative communication enhances or replaces verbal communication. This bridges the communication gap for everyone. If one cannot speak, communication does not stop. There are several ways to do so.
Communication is a human right, and as you just saw, we use many different ways to communicate. The power of AAC is its ability to give everyone a voice, ensuring that no one is left behind or left unheard. So let's all embrace, accept, and facilitate the use of AACs, leading to a more inclusive society for all.
Together, let's make a difference. AAC for all.